time, 2 minutes, 3 minutes hardly, and try to mix your all the spices in your presentation, in your act, in your play, in your drama, and all the things should be there. Whatever you can do, that should be there. Reason to remove your fear, stage fear, to abolish, to kill, to remove your phobia from your mind. That you sometimes we think that whenever we go in front of people, what I have to show, what I have to present, what I have to proceed, we get confused. We are unable to take decision of any presentation. What should I present? So come, think and present. That should be very much interesting. 2 minutes, 3 minutes hardly you will take. And 3 minutes will be very much full of excitement, full of energy, full of your all talent, full of your all efforts, full of your all curiosity. Are you understanding? So first would like to come. Majid, come.
Very good morning, everybody. So today I am going to present a play in front of you all. So Majid is a student and he is currently in the class. So today is the announcement of results. So his teacher is like, Shambhu, present sir. Great beta. Very congratulations to you. You did very well. You passed the examination. Congratulations. Majid. Yes sir. What happened to you? Again you got failed? Your marks below 33. You just got 22 marks. What is this? Everybody like oh my god. Majid. Everybody is making fun of me. Majid, this is unexpected to you. Why did you do this? Everybody is laughing. Yeah, they're loser, man. Loser. I'm loser, yeah. I again got failed the examination. I always fail the examination. What did I do? Let's go to home. Bhaiya be like, Majid, what happened to you? Bhaiya, I got failed. Why? Did not you study? Bhaiya, I studied, but I could not pass the examination. You are pretending. Every time you say you are studying, you are working hard, but again you are getting failed. You again did not pass the examination. What happened to you? What the hell it is? Yeah, I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. Everybody is laughing. What to do? Oh my god, my life is so boring. I'm doing nothing in my life. I'm getting nothing in my life. What to do? What to do? Oh my god, please help me here. You are the only one who can assist me. Please help me, my god. Please help me. Please help me in this situation. While repeating this, Majid slept on the bed and he was dreaming. The dream was like a motivational speaker was speaking something, and the speaker was saying that whatever you want to be in your life, you can be. That's so easy. Of course, it is so easy. The major problem, the major concern is only you. The person who is making enable you to do something is none other than you. how to do it. The question is now how to make it happen. How to make it possible to achieve your dreams. Make a list. Make a list of 20 possible alternatives. Set a goal. Yeah, that is first step. And second step is to make a list of 20 possibilities that by doing this or this, you can achieve your goal. Majid was sleeping and he was dreaming this. He suddenly wake up. Oh my God. Exactly, it is true. This is something I realized today. That the person behind my unsuccessful life is only I. I am just pretending kind of. Yeah, really, today I accept it. I am just pretending. I try, but I am not putting my 100% efforts. What am I doing in my regular life? I just study in the class with no full attention. I don't pay attention fully. And I just complete my homework with no attention again. I did not pay attention there as well. I just finish my homework. I just complete my notebooks. That's all am I doing in my life. So what to do? I need to be little cautious. And I need to be little more conscious towards what I am doing. Let's make a list of 20 possible alternatives. Yes, this is true. And the statement was given by a great motivational speaker of US. He was the millionaire of US. The statement said, if you set a clear goal in your life, and if you do not have any idea, any single idea how to achieve it, you can make a list of 20 possible alternatives that by doing this or this or this, I can achieve this. And by doing this, you will realize and you will by your own get to know that what is the best possible idea or best possible alternative to do or to complete that way. So this is how you will be able to complete that, and one day definitely by taking small steps towards your goal you will accomplish that. Either it is to complete a journey of the world, or it is being better in studies, or it is achieving to a good position in your career. Whatever it is, this will make you happen. So this is how Majid realized that yes, it is absolutely true. I can make it happen, and this is possible. And definitely I would try to do this by today only. Not today, by now. I will do this. And I'll make a list of 20 possible alternatives to achieve my goal, and I'll measure my goal every single day. So that's how Majid presented a play at self-realization day of Friday. Thank you very much.
Okay, and he played a very attractive and role which gives you lesson about self-realization. So this is a very effective, impactful, and it was a very excited role play. Another one should come play.
Good morning, all of you. So I'm today.
If he is telling good morning, everybody will tell good morning. Again, good morning.
Good morning, everybody.
Good morning.
So today I'm coming from the role plays in front of you. So in role plays, I'm the manager and you are the all salespersons. So okay. So this is I'm just going to the role play.
I'm going to play the role.
I'm going to the role play in front
I'm going
of you.
to play the role.
I'm going to play the role
Yes.
in front of you. So I'm just manager and you are all the salespersons.
Yes, sir.
So now
Louder. Voice would be very much louder.
So it has been 15 days now. I'm after looking the your all performance, you know. So really, this is the very pathetic and worst. You are just all going to sales, and you know. So yesterday I just called to cluster manager to me. I'm just managing the one stores. So you are the salesperson. You are not managing to all things that. So I'm looking the alls. After the sales, you are the selling the products, but you are not maintain the penetration of like product. So you are the selling only the product. You are not giving the extra benefits to customer like the extended warranties. You know, so it should be very maintained. So I'm just talking about so Nancy, I'm just looking here. You know, the your penetrations is not maintained. So what are you doing on the floor, you know? What are you doing on floor that? Whole time just you expanding that. So you just selling the products, you are not selling the extended warranties.
Another salesman.
You know? So you are just selling the only products, and what are you doing on floor? You are also not maintaining the penetration maintain.
Sir, I tried to sell these services as well, but customer denied to accept these, so that's what has happened.
I don't want to listen any excuse. I don't want to maintain the penetration margins. So because you highlighted in red marks. So you know, so I don't want to, because cluster manager also just pressurized to the sale to extended warranty. What I'm here for that? You are just instead of what did you sell that? Can you explain that? And what did you explain the whole time on floor, just walking in here? Then not you is concentrated in you not
concentrating
on the product selling. Just all time I keep on watching on cameras, like you know, just you walking here and there. What are you doing on floor?
I'm so sorry.
What counts for there? What are you coming from here?
More aggressive. Kundan, more aggressive.
What are you coming from here?
I'm so sorry, sir. This will not be repeated again. I'm so sorry.
So this is a new. My counter is day by day is getting to degrowth. No, I don't want to. I'm just coming from the any listen abusing from the cluster manager. You know. So you are just all coming from the for sales and the extended warranty. So I just maintain to you all these penetrations and protector also.
Sure, sir, sure.
And what about your sales? You are on zero now, right now.
But sir, customer not interest my product, so I do not give forceful.
Do not give to any excuse. It has been the 15 days has gone there.
Not my
you are daily.
excuse. It's a reality.
Are you justifying the salary?
Yes.
You are the justifying salary.
This is not justify your salary.
You are on zero.
No, sir. But sir, I will try sell my our product selling.
If I compare to the like other stores, that one is doing the better for better than me.
Yes, sir.
So you just here to all maintain the penetration when you are selling the products.
But sir, customer
I don't
not
want to
interest
any
my,
extended warranty. I don't want only the extended warranty on product.
But sir, customer not giving the external warranty.
Sir,
He is not interested by external warranty.
so you just pitch them how to benefits of the extended warranty.
You should motivate them.
You should motivate them.
I know. I will try the motivation the customer. But customer, other company is a more benefits, giving the more benefits in the customer.
To the customer.
To the customer. So customer many times told me this company
Is giving more benefit.
giving the more benefit and the best
Best than you.
best product best
Product.
product
Of their shops.
of their shops.
You just try to. You just try to. Why you just thinking the negative for
So I will-
before?
I do try.
So all I wanted to say again to you all. I don't want to like the any to scold to you because you all these are my like as a like a son. We are just
And
working.
you all are like my family member.
You are like my family members. I don't want to score to anyone to particular that, and you know. So this is my focus only. Just you say to protect and penetration is also to maintain. I don't want to anything to score to you.
Actually,
So
I want to explain the one reason
You-
because I am not selling the extended warranty because there are many issues because we know that lots of companies also available in the market because if you want to selling to your product because you are doing work in the I think you are doing work in the Tata company so but at this time lots of varieties also available in the market so and other company give the discount give the discount because if you want to purchase the any items already including the 3 years guarantee is also available in the product but if you want to take the if you want to take the more benefit only you have to pay some money but you are doing work in the Tata company and you wanted to earn the more money by the extended
Extended warranty.
warranty. So I think this is not good. So I want to I want to take the decision. I want to give the decision because you have to pay only for the some money. Take the customers. So definitely because I am selling the product to the customers and earning the more money. Because at that time I am selling the product to the customer. I think 15 lakh rupees. So but at this time I know that because
Start now, continue.
Sunil beta, you think started the negative points. Product are giving to beta ki 3 years all completed that product. Now you have 2 years left warranty. You just give that and just you promote that. You know, so you will get the already has given the company 3 years.
Yeah.
Listen to me. Already company has given 3 years warranty on product and 2 years you give 2 years extended warranty. So you will get the 5 years completely warranty. You just take a peace of mind. You never to have face problem in life. You just call to the like our shops will to manage to all things. So you just try to make them understand the customers. So why you're just thinking Sunil negatives? So I will maintain the like penetration that you have just thought already the
I understand.
company is the given 3 years.
I am understanding to your words because but I am not giving the lots of discount to the customer. So customer was not agree.
So you just come to on my office.
That time
I will give you the discount.
That time I had discussed
extended
with
warranty.
that time I had discussed with your junior manager. So I told to you. But why did you not inform? So sir, I think
It's not
I
my
didn't
fault.
know.
No, so you just call to me and any kind of you just while selling the product. So you just give
Because
pitch
sir, I
out
am
the
doing
extended
15
warranty.
years old in the
You also
company,
do not
but I am not
maintain the penetrations. You also do these things.
Ready? Okay. And little louder and clear. Start now.
Wish you a very warm good morning to everybody. This is Antesh Sharma in front of you, and today I'm going to tell you a story about a girl who born in Delhi, but after 3 months she was resided in Haryana, and she resided with her grandfather only. She spent more than 5 to 6 years with him, and she knew no one other than his grandfather. His grandfather showed him the eternal love, the unconditional love. Whatever she was at that time, she was all because of her grandfather only. And at that time, she was one of the jolliest, one of the cheerful girl in the whole village at that time. Whomsoever used to come there, used to play with her, talk with her, and she was well at everything. Like she was best in everything. No matter in cooking, talking, dancing, everything, she was best at that. But when she was at the age of 7, her grandfather passed away. And that was the very biggest heartbreak for her. But she coped with that and she went to Delhi with her parents. And when she went to her parents, she was not that much comfortable with them. She felt that no matter what, I wanted to be with my grandfather only. And it took more than 1.5 years to be frank with her parents. But as she went through, she gradually started forgetting her grandfather, the existence of him. but she could not forget his proper existence. That she could not forget that with whom she lived, with whom she know what the love is, what the real happiness is. And after that, after the death of her grandfather, she stopped talking, she stopped interacting with others. She became an introvert day by day. But when she went to school in Delhi, she started talking with friends, she started making new friends. And one day, when she went into the senior secondary school, when she was in 9th standard, at that time, she heard from every girl that I have a boyfriend and he cares me like that, he gives me chocolate. Like, she didn't have any friend, but she listened everyone. She listened all the perspectives of a boyfriend from all other girls. What she thought, she went into the very deep imagination. And what she thought that, what if I would have a boy, he would care like that to me, he would love me, he would give me gifts, he would just adore him like a little baby. And she pretended and she went into a deep imagination. She started getting more happy. Whenever she used to sit alone even, she used to smile. She used to think that whatever I am speaking in the mirror, that boy is listening to him. She made a whole perspective of a boy. And what the reality was, that boy was not even there. That the existence of boy was not there. And that made her so much down at the time. When she met with the reality, when a year passed away with this imagination with a boy, when she met to the reality, and she struck it to her mind that whatever I am doing, whatever I gave my time, whatever I did for no one. Actually, that is no one. And she went in stress after the depression, and she was in coma for more than 2.5 months. And that was the very hardest phase of her life, and she could not cope with that. That was the beginning of her anxiety disorder. And at that time, whenever someone used to speak in a loud voice, she used to cry. Her hands started getting shivering, her legs shivering. She could not maintain proper eye contact with everyone. People used to say, used to criticize her that you do all this drama. But they never knew what the thing is behind that story. Why she behaving like that? What everybody saw, that she is behaving not properly, she is not behaving nice, she is behaving a bit eccentric. But they didn't even try to know that what is the real reason behind that. And that made that girl more and more introvert and more sad even. And as the time passed, when she was in 12th board exams, she could not perform that much well. And after the board exams, she tried to commit suicide in the school building from the 2nd floor, and she jumped from there. And even though he didn't want that, God knew already that she could perform very well in the future. And that time she didn't die, and one of her leg got fractured. And that was one of the second hardest phase for her. And when she went through that, she's met with intellectual disability, and one of part was anxiety disorder also. At that time, that was beginning, and until that age, after 1st or 2nd year, she was not able to cope with that. And she tried that I should go outside, I should meet with new people, and that would make her more confident. And that's all she does, and that's all about myself. Thank you.